my god, baby! Oh my god, it's coming at us!
Tina, calm down. Calm down. Are you videotaping it?
Yes!
You're crazy. If the winds pick up, we'll get out and land this ditch. But I think we're going to be fine.
Oh my god! You lay in a fucking ditch? Oh my god!
Yes,
oh my god, oh my god, no I'm not!
Lay in a ditch.
No I'm not! I'm not getting out of the car!
Get down.
No I'm not!
Lay in a ditch.
No I'm not!
Yes, Tina. There's flying glass here. We have to lay in a
Oh
ditch.
my god, no I'm not getting out of the car. Baby, I'm not getting out of the car. Oh my god, should we be just sitting there?
Yes, we should just be sitting here. And if the winds pick up and lots of shit starts flying, we have to get out of this glass enclosed.
Oh my god.
Tina, we might have to get out of the car and lay on the ground.
Oh my god.
We're in a glass cage. Oh.
Why are you rolling the window down?
Equalize the pressure inside the car in case we have to open the doors. These fastens. Come on.
Go, I think it's coming near us. This guy got in an accident.